Imagine a house. Over time, if not maintained, it can crumble. Our bodies are much like that house. As we age, it's crucial to maintain our health to ensure our house remains sturdy and strong. Just like a house needs constant upkeep, our bodies require ongoing maintenance. And the key elements for this maintenance are DNA health, nucleotide availability, and HDL cholesterol levels. DNA, the blueprint of life, can suffer damage and mutations over time, affecting crucial cellular processes. Nucleotides, the building blocks of DNA, are essential for its synthesis and repair, supporting tissue renewal. Now let's consider HDL cholesterol, often referred to as the good cholesterol. It plays a vital role in our cardiovascular health, acting as a scavenger and removing excess cholesterol from our blood vessels. Understanding these factors and prioritizing our DNA health, ensuring adequate nucleotide availability, and maintaining optimal HDL cholesterol levels are pivotal for a robust and healthy life. Just like a house needs a strong foundation, our bodies need DNA health, nucleotide availability, and HDL cholesterol levels to thrive. Our DNA is the blueprint of our bodies, and nucleotides are the building blocks of that blueprint. They play a crucial role in DNA synthesis, repair, and tissue regeneration. Now think of DNA as a library. Over time, some books in this library can become worn out or damaged. This is where nucleotides step in, acting as librarians, repairing the damaged books and maintaining the overall health of the library. Similarly, in our bodies, DNA health is affected by damage and mutations that accumulate over time, which can impact the cellular processes vital for tissue regeneration. Adequate nucleotide availability is key here, as it supports DNA synthesis and repair, thereby aiding tissue renewal. So what does all this mean for longevity? Well, by prioritizing DNA health through lifestyle changes and perhaps even nucleotide supplementation, we can enhance tissue regeneration. This in turn promotes longevity. Therefore, prioritizing DNA health and nucleotide availability can pave the way for a longer, healthier life. When we talk about cholesterol, we often think of it as something bad. However, HDL cholesterol, often known as good cholesterol, is a crucial player in our health. HDL cholesterol acts like a cleanup crew in our bodies, removing excess cholesterol from our blood vessels and shuttling it off to the liver for processing. It's a key player in supporting cardiovascular health and tissue regeneration, contributing to overall longevity. Maintaining optimal HDL cholesterol levels is an essential part of the health puzzle. In conclusion, the synergy between DNA health, nucleotide availability, and HDL cholesterol levels is pivotal for our overall wellness. These elements form a triad, each playing a vital role in maintaining health. DNA integrity supports tissue regeneration, nucleotides fuel DNA synthesis and repair, and HDL cholesterol safeguards our heart. Together, they form a harmonious symphony that enhances longevity. By prioritizing these, we can pave the way for a longer, healthier life. After all, health is wealth. Indeed, the synergy for a healthier life lies in our own hands, but wouldn't it be amazing if we had a tool to make it even easier? We have a remarkable product that houses a pristine supply of nucleotides. Intriguing, isn't it? This product is not just an overnight sensation, it's the result of over 5 decades of dedicated research and development in Europe. It's a breakthrough in the field of health and longevity that you simply can't afford to ignore. But don't just take our word for it. Stay tuned in the next segment to take a peek at this incredible product in action. Click the link in the description box to know more and how to avail it online. Your journey towards optimal health begins today.
Forever Healthy Products brings to you Immunogen. Immu represents immunity and Regen represents regeneration. A complex of dietary nucleotides containing peptides, oligopeptides, amino acids, minerals, and vitamins that support normal body functions and help boost our immune system. For our body to be healthy, we need to make sure our organs, like the heart, the brain, the kidneys, and every other organ in our body, are healthy. Our organs are made of tissue, and our tissue is made up of countless cells. This is where most of the industry is currently focused on, the cellular level. We at Forever Healthy Products go even deeper and are revolutionizing how we shape our lives by going deeper to the DNA level. DNA is essentially the blueprint of life. DNA is composed of a chain of nucleotides, adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine to maintain homeostasis or normal body functions. By ensuring we have healthy DNA, we ensure healthy cells that make healthy tissue which become healthy organs, and finally ensuring a healthy body, affording us a fulfilled and happy life. Immunogen supports the body's structure and functions by providing the nutrients needed for a healthy body. This science-based product is supported by research conducted by the winners of the 2015 Nobel Prize in Chemistry, who studied the body's natural DNA repair mechanisms, including the mechanism now known as nucleotide excision repair. It has been researched by scientists and doctors for more than 60 years, and the product was patented in Europe since 1983. Forever Healthy Products has the exclusive rights to offer one-of-a-kind nucleotide food supplements worldwide. The product has been researched and studied for decades and proven safe for the young, elderly, and even the sportsman or athlete. This is just the tip of the iceberg on how this incredible product can give you an incredible life.